Alright, today I got a new BB belt. This is the new box for 2024. This is the old one, the old BB belt that I got, the red one. I have the video posted because I got it too big. I got like size 38. I made holes on it. And this is the new one. I got a black one. Here it is. It came in a box. I thought it was going to come in a tin like this one. But it's cool though, you know? That's just hella clean. It's just magnetic. My first time opening it. I barely opened it from the box. So like, it's gonna be my first time seeing it too. Look at that. That's how it comes in. I like the box. Cool. The receipt. I'm not gonna show that. Wait. I got it on, what's it called? On Black Friday. So it was on sale. I'm just gonna show this. The thing I got. It came out to 140. The discount for 78. That was a big time discount. I got a size 34. Hopefully it fits me. Trojan black diamond. That's just hella clean. Let's check it out. The unboxing. This shit came quick too. I got this like on, when did I get it? I got it like on Friday, Thursday, I think. I'm not too sure. Fuck. This shit clean. This shit is clean. Why is it so fucking small? Oh, I was about to say. That's just fucking clean. Black. Like the buckle of it. I'm gonna try it on. Little tags for it. Oh shit. That shit clean. That shit clean. Let's try it on. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, this shit clean. I don't know if you can see that, but go back a little bit. Go down and put this. Let me put it up. Put the little camera up. Tell me not. That shit clean. Can you see it? Hell yeah. There's the other boat that I have. Compared to this one. This is a size fucking 38. Look. Put it on. You see, I had to make a fucking. I had to make 2 holes, 2 extra ones or 3, because they didn't fit me. I had to remove these. You see this? I had to remove these. It was pretty easy. But look, compared to this one, look how much. That compared to the size 34. That's a big time difference. See that? Not even, it's like probably like 2. Look, you can tell. But I like it. I like the black one. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. You know, it's been my first video for a while. I'm gonna start making videos of like things I get and all that. So yeah, that shit clean. I fuck with it. I fuck with the box. Show you the box. That's all it came with. That's all. Well, yeah. Catch you guys later.